So I'm here with my current trade on BTC USDT. So I'm gonna break it down a little bit and see what's going on. So basically, last week we had the highest price of the week around 86,200, and the lowest price of the week around 74K. Without context, we don't know what's going on. But with context, we can see that the price came into a previous fair value gap, which shows that the coming weeks are pretty bullish. So since we're in a bullish spectrum, what might happen in the daily will be a hunt of liquidity, maybe above 86,000 and possibly around the engulfing candle here at 87,000. But we can see that there were candles that already tested out that level, and there is a high possibility for the next candle in the week to go above 88K. But would the price go straight up there? That's what we don't know right now. So in lower time frame today, the first day of the week, first 4 hours UTC, we're having a bullish candle creating an engulfing price right here. And then a 1 hour candle, the candle is about to close in 10 minutes, 9 minutes, let's say. And we can see that the candle has retraced into a fair value gap, into a bullish fair value gap here, and left a bullish fair value gap repeatedly, which confirms that the bullish scenario is really on for this week. Meanwhile, we just close the previous engulfing candle, so the liquidity that was here has been taken out. What could happen after that could be a reversal or a continuation toward this higher price. So meanwhile, waiting for more information, let's get down into our trading view chart. In trading view, we can see we're currently in the Asian session in the 3 minutes. So let me break down to the 15 minutes as we already saw the 1 hour candle here on Hyperliquid. Actually, I'm using Hyperliquid to show my trades because Hyperliquid has a really great discount when it comes to opening and scalping, opening trade and closing trade while scalping. So during the central bank daily range, there was an order block created, a bullish order block, and a retracement into a fair value gap and a continuation. We took the previous weekend highs and also the previous Friday high has been cleared already above 84K. So would the price return below the Friday low? That will be a little bit tough to call right now, as the low of the Friday was around $80,000. All we can assume is prior New York session, so we can enter a full day in New York. We might expect Asia to do the highest price of the day, which means the highest price for the Sunday evening, and the new day Monday could come as in a bearish price if that happens. A little bit like we can see here. So currently the market is either shifting bearish in a smaller time frame to come maybe to the weekly opening gaps and Monday opening gap. Friday close, Monday open. So meanwhile, let's wait for our trade to happen. We can see a spike into the 1 hour volume, which is one of the highest spike we have gotten since Thursday. So this could be a hunt of liquidity from market maker while everybody is asleep at UTC time. So let's watch the trade and see if this bearish candle that have opened, will it actually turn bearish and hunt for liquidity below 84K or search for support anywhere around 84K 600. Meanwhile, this is a really risky trade that follows none of the advice that is supposed to follow. This is one of the steps that makes me lose a lot of money, which come from impatience and just trading breakouts, fake outs, and trying to get a reversal from the fair value gap. We must stop loss behind the previous swing high of the fair value gap. Hopefully I'll leave you guys there with this video. This level can act as support, so let's watch this trade carefully. As we can see in 3 minutes, we have got two bearish engulfing candles, which could be a new liquidity hunt for a green candle to come test this level. So we have liquidity pool sitting above 85,300 and have support sitting below 84,900. So a great entry for a buy could be below 84K 800 if this fair value gap keeps supporting the price in a bullish scenario. We are currently having a sell-off candle. Maybe that is going towards support. And this could actually hint for me to take profit into that small trade that I've opened. On my account, which is worth $75, this $1.6 will be worth at least 1% of the account already. And as we can see, price is rejecting already from the current level it enters, which shows that the fair value gap around this level is pretty strong in rejecting price. Something to consider is when price consolidates and goes in expansion, consolidate, goes in another expansion, consolidate, and might go to another expansion. So I'm not gonna be holding this trade overnight because Asian session could be the high of the day or the week, or let's say of the day. And since tomorrow is a new week, we could expect a bearish scenario to unfold for the entire day tomorrow. But remember, in 4 hours we're bullish, and in weekly, price is currently bullish. So I'm getting ready to close this trade as uh, midnight trades is a little bit tiresome, and I will need a day. I will need to take a break. So tomorrow during London session or tomorrow during New York session, preferably, I could open a new scalp again. So price is getting close to the support level that I have talked about previously, and there is a red candle that is highlighted below around 84,200, and that level could be an order block where price could return into the bullish scenario. So price just broke through that support that I called earlier, which is a nice take profit level for me. And like this, I would say I'm done trading. $3 or close to $3, I would say, is quite a good trade for this type of account size, 289.